The first thing why you should handle representation, because if you do tax prep like I had done for 30 years, then representation is just a natural fit for what you do as a tax preparation professional. Consider it. Think about it. You prepare tax returns, you do the bookkeeping, you do payroll, any or all of those things. You do the business, you do the individual. Chances are you also do planning, you do tax planning, you do some tax consulting, you do expense reduction management, you do retirement planning, you do a bunch of other different things. Why not offer IRS collections representation, offer exam representation? And here's why. Because your clients get notices. Okay. Most of the notices that they get, think about the document matching notices, you get the correspondence. Hey, we need further documentation in regards to the information that you're providing or you submitted on your tax return. Those are all on the exam side of the house. And then when your client owes money, the first question you should be asking them is, do you have the ability to pay the amount that's due on this tax return? And definitely, you should ask that of everybody, but especially those that you don't know that they have the wherewithal to pay that all in once. Okay, so right there, you can then roll into helping them getting into collections representation right there. So there's opportunities because keep in mind, your client gets notices. Those are outside the scope of your engagement letter. And if you use engagement letters, read your engagement letter. It basically should say, if you've gotten this from your professional liability insurance or from any other source, it should say that once the tax return is delivered, that is the end of the scope of the service. So therefore, and it should even say that it does not include representation of any kind. So anything outside of that is something extra that takes your time, you should bill for.